In this video, we will show you how to easily record spending such as expenses, bills, payments. Connecting your bank is the easiest way to enter your spending into QuickBooks. If you paid your supplier or made purchases using a credit card, debit card, or by doing a bank transfer, you could download these transactions directly from your connected bank or credit card accounts into QuickBooks using the online banking feature. You can then categorize them from the Banking Center. To categorize a transaction, select Banking from the Banking menu. Select the transaction you want to categorize, and then choose an appropriate supplier, category, or tax, depending upon how you want to categorize it. You can also create a rule, so that QuickBooks knows how to categorize a similar transaction it comes across the next time. Once you've finished, select Add. QuickBooks then moves your transaction to the Categorize tab. The great thing about this process is that as you enter the transactions from your suppliers and then categorize them, QuickBooks learns how you spent your money with your suppliers. So later, whenever you download more transactions from those same suppliers, QuickBooks automatically knows how to categorize them. There are, however, times when you might need to enter your spending manually. Maybe you have an account that isn't connected to QuickBooks for some reason, or you purchased something with cash, or you purchased inventory outside your normal workflow, or you need to record a bill sent by your supplier. Let's go over how to enter a bill manually in QuickBooks. To enter a bill manually, select New, then select Bill. From the Supplier drop-down menu, choose a supplier you want to enter the bill for. If you don't see the name here, you can add it by selecting Add New. Then, from the Terms drop-down, choose the preferred payment term. The terms show when the supplier expects payment. Verify the bill date and the due date for the bill. The bill date is when the bill is created, entered, or received, and the due date is when you must pay your supplier. In the Bill Number field, enter a number or a reference to distinguish this bill from others from the same supplier. Under Category Details, select the category that best describes what you have bought. This will often be an expense, but if this is something that you will use over and over again for many years, like a vehicle or a computer, you might categorize it as a fixed asset. If you don't see an account that describes what you bought, then you can add one by selecting Add New. Enter a description of what you bought, the amount, and the tax. Depending upon your settings, you may select whether this is billable. You may also select the customer to whom you would be billing this expense. The Item Details section is used only if you are purchasing inventory. If that's the case, ignore the Category Details section and enter in the information about what you bought here. We cover how to purchase inventory in more detail in a separate video at the end of this one. You may enter notes in the Memo field for your future reference. Finally, if you want to add an attachment like a receipt, you can do that by selecting Attachments and then selecting the file to be uploaded. Once you've finished, select Save and Close. You can record your expenses and other payments similarly. That's it. Now, you are ready to record your own spending in QuickBooks.